Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to set who can see your status on WhatsApp. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your WhatsApp, then go to the updates or the status. Here as you can see I have my own status, and you can actually select one person or a couple of persons that can see your status, or make it visible to all your contacts except some people. So what you're gonna do right now to do so is to simply go to the settings up right here. Now go then to privacy, then go till you find status. And now here as you can see you have three options: who can see my status updates. Now here in my case I have chosen my contacts, but now you can click on this one right here in order to do some exceptions. Then click on zero exclude, and you can select here some of the people that you don't want them to see your status, or simply you can click on this one right here, which will share the status with the selected or included persons only. So click on it, then click on zero includes right here, then include whatever people you want, and let me now choose some random people as you can see. Then click on this icon down right here, and that is it. After clicking on this icon, everything will be saved. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.